Okay, this is LG Banter Touch. It has a headset jack, a lock button, and an off button. This is the button that turns the phone off. This is the micro SD slot. This is the volume buttons, the up and down, and this is the camera button. This is the clear button or speaker. This is send and this is end. So my phone is a QWERTY keyboard, and the phone, it can move in circles like this. It has a dialing section, a messaging section, and you could either text like this or you can text like this. This way is easier though. Here is my contacts. You just scroll up, and here's the Metro apps. I don't get all of them, but so far I have Pocket Express. I don't get Metro Navigator, that has expired. Here's my menu. Here's the calling section. Speed dials, call history, Metro Web, messaging, contacts. Here's all the media stuff. Here, you could take a photo. Here's the pictures, my stuff. You can record a video, record voice, and music. Here's all the tools: calendar, calculator, alarm clock, world clock, drawing panel, notepad. Here's all the settings. We have sound settings, display settings, touch settings, phone settings, and call settings. My phone has 3 screens: the main one, the shortcut, and the contacts. And that's it for my review. If you want to know more, just ask me questions.